Hello and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at a strategy you can use to trade boom and crash. On my screen I have boom 500 index 1 minute time frame. Now I have three windows. I have the main window. This is the main window. Okay, I have indicator window 1. This is indicator window 1, and I have indicator window 2. This is indicator window 2. Now it's a very simple strategy. You can use it to trade boom 1000, boom 500, crash 1000, and crash 500. So basically you can use this strategy to trade boom and crash. You can use it to trade boom and crash on 1 minute time frame, 5 minutes, 15, 30, 1 hour. But I prefer to use it on 1 minute time frame so that I could just catch the spike at the beginning. Okay, so to speak. Now to trade using this strategy on the main window, okay, I have boom index. Of course, boom index will spike upward, so I will make use of the signals. I'll make use of the buy signals alone. I'll only use the buy signals since I'm trading boom 500. If I'm trading boom 1000, I also make use of buy signals as given by this strategy. Although this strategy will give both buy and sell signals, but for boom index, I'll go for the buy signals only. And for crash index, I'll go for the sell signals only. Since boom index is going to spike upwards, so I'll want to ride the upward trend, the uptrend. Okay, so that by the time it start to retrace, the rate at which I will lose my money will be very slow compared to when it spikes. And if it goes in loss, if I'm selling boom index and it goes in loss, as in if it spikes, the rate at which I'll lose my money will be much faster. So I'll prefer to only buy when trading boom index. Then I'll prefer to only sell when trading crashed index. So we'll only look for buy signals as far as this strategy is concerned. Now on the main window, I have a blue line, okay, and then I have a black line, okay, then I have another line on price. Now my buy signal will start when I have the blue line crossing up above the black line, just like I have around here. If I buy around here, I'll be placing my buy entry somewhere around here. Okay, so somewhere around here will be my buy entry. Don't forget, this is a 1 minute time frame. Assuming price crossed here, so okay, my buy entry will be somewhere around here. Okay, and I'll ride the trend. Okay, but I won't want to sell since I'm trading boom index. But if in case you want to sell, you have enough equity and you want to sell when the blue line crosses down the black line, just like what you have here, and you can see price goes down. But I only prefer to buy, which is when the blue line cross upwards. Okay, so that means if I'm buying using the strategy for boom index, then I'll be selling the reverse for crash index. It's as simple as that. So the same method, blue line on crash index, blue line cross down the black line for me to sell. Okay, of course, if I'm going to sell, like this scenario, if I'm going to sell, my entry will be somewhere around here to somewhere around here. Okay, I'll be entering the sell tree somewhere. When I have a breakout of this low, I'll enter my sell somewhere around there, because the the blue line crossed somewhere around here when price at the lowest and price retraced. So I'll rather wait for it to break this low. This low is directly under the crossing, so I'll wait for when the low is broken, then I enter the sell trade. Okay, and I make some profit. Okay, so that's just how to use the strategy on the main window. We are trading boom index when it crosses this 1 minute time frame. You can use it on 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. You can use it on any time frame, but I prefer to use it on the 1 minute, possibly 5 minutes time frame, so that I can just catch the spike right from almost near the beginning. So the only way I can catch the spike is it has started already. It has started around here, but at times you have fake outs. Okay, so you have fake spikes at times where you get deceived that price is going up, but it will reverse. So, but once, as soon as it crosses around here, okay, my entry will be somewhere around here. Somewhere around here. Okay, I'll enter somewhere around here. Okay, and then I'll ride the trend. Okay, and make some whatever profit I can make. I grab it and then wait for another opportunity. Okay, so for crash index, you sell when the blue line crosses down. Okay, for bone index, when the blue line cross up, you buy. Okay, you look for buying opportunities. For crash index, when the blue line cross down, you look for selling opportunities. So that's that for the main window. Okay, for indicator window 1, of course, I'll be buying when it crosses my hour buy signal, when it crosses above, when the blue line crosses above the black line. But the initial buy signal is when this blue line on indicator will cross down below the 20 level. Then by the time it crosses up, that's my initial buy signal. Okay, so this will be more like my confirmation. Okay, so when it crosses up, it indicates that price is going to buy. I should look for buying opportunities. Okay, for crash index, when it crosses down, when it goes, let's look for crash index. Let's see if we can get some explanation. Okay, like you have around here, and it goes up above the 80 level, and at the point of crossing down, that's where you get to sell at point of crossing down below the, when the blue line crosses down below the 80 level, you look for sell. Okay, look for buy opportunities when it goes below 20 and it crosses up, like you have around here. Look for buy opportunities. Now that's that for indicator window 1. For indicator window 2, okay, when the red and the black line enters just about, when they just entered, when they just kissed or touched the cloud, the Ichimoku cloud, that's when you buy. Okay, when both the red and the black line, when they go below, okay, and then rising up, there's a crossover and it starts to both touch the Ichimoku cloud from under, that's where you look for buy opportunities. Sell opportunities is when they go above and then they cross down to both touch the Ichimoku. Okay, before crossing down on the Ichimoku, that's your sell opportunities. That's your sell signal. That's the opportunity for you to sell. Okay, don't forget opportunity for you to buy when they both touch the Ichimoku cloud from under. Okay, and then sell is the reverse, is the case for sell. So that's basically how to use the indicators for this strategy. Okay, let's look at the parameters for the indicators. Parameters, we have moving averages on the main chart. We have 50 period simple moving average. The shift is 0, apply to close, color is blue. And we have Bollinger Bands, 1 period Bollinger Band, deviation is 2.0, shift is 0, apply to close, color is black. Then finally on the main chart we have 240 period, simple moving average. The shift is 0, apply to close. Okay, color is black. That's that for the main window. Now let's look at indicator window where we have relative strength index. Let's look at the parameters. We have one period, apply to close, color will match the background color of the charts. Then the levels, for buy we have 20, for sell we have 80, and the color is black for the levels. Then we have MACD, fast EMA is 12, okay, slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 5, apply to close. Now only the color of the signal style will be purple or blue. Okay, for indicator window 2 we have MACD, fast EMA is 12, slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 9, apply to close. And now the color of this main the signal style will match the background color of the chart. Then we have Bollinger Bands, period is 50, deviation is 2.0, shift is 0, apply to first indicator's data, then color will match the background color of the chart. Then we have moving average, period is 200, shift is 0, method is linear weight, apply to previous indicators data, color is blue. Then we have moving average again, period is 1, shift is -3, method is linear weight, apply to first indicators data, and the color is red. Then we have envelopes, period is 20, shift is 0, deviation is 0.10, method is linear weight, apply to previous indicators data, and the color of the upper and then lower, the color of the upper and lower band is black. Now then we have Ichimoku, Tenkan Sen is 8, Kijun Sen is 8, Senka's span B is 52. The up Kumo and the down Kumo, the color for the up Kumo is green, the color for the down Kumo is brown. Then the Tenkan Sen, Kijun Sen, and the Shikao span, the color will match the background color of the chart. So that's the last of the parameters for the indicators. A very good strategy. Make sure you back test. When you have a strategy, make sure you back test it. Okay, don't just try a new strategy with your money, with your live account. No, practice on demo account first. If you can practice on demo account, you understand how the strategy works, then you can now go live and then use the strategy to trade your real money. Okay, all right, you can make sure you can back test, you can check it out on demo how it works, if it really works the way you check out how it works, so that you don't just make mistake with your real money. Okay, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Click the subscribe button so that you get to see our videos. Click the like button, like our videos. Also, make comment below the video, drop your comments, ask question if you're not clear with any part of the video. There's a bell button under the video. Click that bell button for notification. Okay, we have a website, www.binfxtrader.com. We have another website, fxfables.com. Visit these two websites to learn more on how to trade forex and volatility index. Till I come your way next time, is bye for now.